Well, I'm going to talk to you about a new great product called Slapshot. See this? You can just cut it like that. Oh, yeah. You can cut corn. See? You can cut nuts. You can cut nuts. You can cut nuts. You're going to love my nuts. You can even cut hamburger. Yeah, it's that amazing. On school mornings, you can cut pie. Ow. Okay. Then you can put this right there. Watch this. Cut it. Just cut it, man. It is so good. But this product cannot be found in stores. But if you call it right now, because we can't do this all day. Well, because you know we can't do this all day. I'll give you a spoon drop. I'll give you a gravy bean. And I'll give you a bun cut. Okay, call 1-800. Oh no, it sells Slapshot. Bye.